Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a really interesting speaker, the Devialet Phantom 1, and more specifically the 108 decibel top of a range model. This is a very interesting speaker and completely different from anything else in the market. So let's get into the history, features, and what makes the Phantom 1 truly special. But firstly, who are Devialet and where do they come from? Well, Devialet is a French company founded in 2007 by Pierre-Emmanuel Calmel and Emmanuel Naim. Devialet began with a mission to redefine the audio experience. Their groundbreaking work led to the creation of some of the most unique audio products on the market. The first major breakthrough came with the D Premiere, which introduced their unique analog-digital hybrid technology. The technology was a game changer, combining the best of analog and digital sound to deliver unparalleled audio quality. Fast forward to today, and the Devialet Phantom 1 stands as a testament to the brand's continued innovation. Let's break down what makes this speaker a standout in the world of high-end audio. Number 1, immense sound pressure. With an impressive 108 decibels of sound pressure, the Phantom 1 can deliver incredibly loud and clear audio, filling large spaces with ease. That's comparable to the sound levels of a live rock concert.
Like you do. Most persons find it more convenient.
Yeah, it's really loud.
Heart-bass implosion. This feature allows the Phantom 1 to produce deep, resonant bass without any distortion. It creates a sense of physicality in the music, making the bass feel as though it's coming from within the room itself. It's actually this part of the speaker here, and it sounds a little bit like a drum. And there are 2 per speaker. Watching these Devialets dance around is rather entertaining. The products in today's video were provided by the Soundstore. The Soundstore is Australasia's largest single-door reseller of Sonos speakers. They are experts in home audio installation and home automation. Their showroom is in Newmarket at the corner of Crowhurst and Kent Street. Call them today on 09520 2105 or visit the website thesoundstore.nz. 3. Devialet's active speaker technologies ensure that the Phantom 1 adapts to its environment, providing consistent sound quality no matter where it's placed. This technology uses digital signal processing to correct any acoustic anomalies. Hi-Fi streaming. The Phantom 1 supports a wide range of streaming services including Apple AirPlay, Spotify Connect and Tidal. You can connect via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or Ethernet, making it incredibly versatile. Number 5, the Devialet app. It's your gateway to controlling the Phantom 1. It allows you to adjust settings, customize sound profiles, and even manage multiple Phantom speakers for a seamless multi-room experience. And it's kind of easy to use. You can adjust the sounds nice and easily. And if you prefer to have a remote control, the Devialet does come with a remote control. It's this very unique looking one here. It's kind of like a hockey puck. It's this heavy and expensive feeling device that has an outer ring that moves around to adjust for volume and some buttons on it to go track forward, back and play and pause. The Phantom 1's design is as much a part of its charm as its sound quality. The spherical shape and minimalist aesthetic not only look stunning but also contribute to the acoustic performance. It's also customizable. You can get these in different colors, and these parts here are removable, though Devialet call this color gold here, and it's clearly copper. It's designed to complement any decor. There's also special edition versions with extra arty bits, so a little bit Bang & Olufsen, but there's no wood. So how do they sound? Well, they sound really, 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 really good. These sound like premium speakers. It's the kind of speakers that if I didn't own my Bang & Olufsen, I might actually consider buying. Yes, these are the first speakers, other than Meridians, that have made me think that there is a life outside of Bang & Olufsen. They are that good. The Devialet Phantoms are rather beautifully made speakers, and it's nice to see a speaker that is in essence a bookshelf speaker, or at least bookshelf speaker sized speaker that actually has decent bass performance, as most bookshelf speakers leave me wanting more in terms of bass response. But with the Devialet Phantoms, you really do not need a subwoofer, nor can you get a subwoofer. So what you see is what you get. Now, you can get a little box as well, it's worth mentioning, that allows you to add sources like auxiliary, and that's called this, and it's this much. And actually, we probably should talk about the price of a Devialet, and maybe I've been avoiding that because they're not cheap. Just this speaker here, by itself without the stand is $5,990. With the stand, it's an extra $809. And you can get a stand that also looks like a tripod if you so desire. But that means that we're looking at the best part of $14,000 for a pair of Devialet speakers. But for 14,000 New Zealand dollars, you're getting a really rather decent sound system. The only feature they seem to lack is Tidal Connect, but if you're an Apple person, then with AirPlay you can stream pretty much anything to these speakers. And these have to be one of the best sounding speakers I've heard this year. The Devialet Phantoms are a fantastic pair of high-end hi-fi speakers. They sound fantastic and they really deliver on the sound quality. Honestly, you could buy a pair of these and it could be the last hi-fi system you ever buy and you'll be happy forever. They're that good. They really do redefine what's possible with a small size that can also produce room-filling bass. Now, if you're looking to get a pair of Devialet speakers, then get them from the Soundstore.nz if you are in New Zealand, as there's only a few specialist retailers that carry this wonderful brand. Anyway, that brings us on to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below, subscribe and hit that bell notification icon, and share it with your friends and like the video as well. I will see you all again very soon with more awesome hi-fi content.